Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0035, indicates a high-voltage fault in the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve circuit in Honda CRV models from 2017 to 2022. The turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve is a crucial component that regulates the operation of the turbocharger, ensuring optimal engine performance and efficiency. Located near the turbocharger assembly, this valve operates under the vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, management to control boost pressure and engine response. When the DTC P0035 is triggered, it may signal issues with the electrical circuit that connects the solenoid valve to the PCM, affecting the overall performance of the turbocharger system. Troubleshooting this code involves rigorous checks of both continuity and potential connections in the solenoid valve circuitry. Accurate diagnosis is pivotal in addressing this issue to maintain engine efficiency and prevent further complications. The turbocharger bypass control solenoid is responsible for controlling the flow of air in the turbocharger system. By doing so, it plays a critical role in managing boost pressure, which directly impacts engine performance and response times. Located typically near the turbocharger assembly, this solenoid valve adjusts the bypass as needed to ensure the engine operates efficiently under various driving conditions. Given its location, any issues with this component can significantly affect not just the turbocharger's functionality, but also broader engine performance. When DTC P0035 is flagged, it hints at a problem within this control circuit, often leading to subpar performance or potential engine damage if not diagnosed and repaired swiftly. Recognizing these key components helps technicians understand the implications of the DTC and focus on the correct troubleshooting pathways. There are several potential causes that could trigger DTC P0035. A faulty turbocharger bypass control solenoid can lead to irregular voltage outputs or complete failure, which directly affects how the valve operates. In addition to the solenoid, problems within the powertrain control module, PCM, can also contribute to this DTC. The PCM may misinterpret signals due to glitches or internal faults, erroneously indicating a high voltage condition. Furthermore, wiring issues, such as shorts or open circuits between the solenoid valve and the PCM, may be the root cause of the error, leading to communication breakdowns. Properly identifying the specific cause is essential for effective remediation to restore the turbocharger's optimal functionality. Therefore, technicians must proceed methodically through various diagnostic pathways. The manifestation of DTC P0035 can broadly impact engine performance. Motorists may notice a perceptible decline in engine efficiency, characterized by poor engine performance during acceleration or driving uphill. Additionally, the turbocharger's response can lag, leading to a less spirited driving experience due to inadequate boost pressure. This degradation in performance is frequently accompanied by the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, a clear indication to the driver that the vehicle requires immediate attention. Understanding these symptoms assists in identifying the problem sooner, thereby allowing for timely repairs. Drivers should take these warnings seriously, as ignoring them could result in more significant engine issues if the turbocharger's functionality continues to be compromised. Commencing troubleshooting for DTC P0035 starts with turning the vehicle to the on mode. This action powers up the vehicle's electronic systems necessary for diagnostic checks. Following this, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the DTC from memory. Once this step has been completed, turn off the vehicle and then turn it back to to the on mode once more. The next important action involves conducting the ABV test, which assesses the operation of the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve through the HDS's inspection menu. Monitoring the onboard diagnostics OBD status for the DTC P0035 at this point is crucial. The system will indicate whether the test has passed or failed. This verification step is essential for determining whether the problem persists or if it was an intermittent issue that has been resolved. In the second troubleshooting step, turn the vehicle off and lock the ignition. This ensures that the system is inactive, which is vital for safely conducting electrical diagnostics. Next, using the HDS, jump the SCS line, maintaining this connection for over a minute. This procedure helps in preparing the system for further testing. Following this, disconnect the connectors for both the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve and the PCM. It's fundamental to check for continuity between designated test points to verify the integrity of the wiring. The test should be conducted with both components disconnected to ensure accurate readings. If continuity exists, it indicates that the ABV wire circuit is functional. However, if there is no continuity, it signals an open circuit that requires repair between the PCM and the solenoid valve. After carrying out the necessary repairs based on the identified issues, a final verification step ensures that the DTC P0035 is fully resolved. This begins with checking that the DTC has been cleared from the system, confirming that the repairs or adjustments have effectively addressed the problem. Following this, a test drive of the vehicle should be conducted under conditions similar to those when the error was initially detected. This will help ascertain whether the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve is functioning correctly and whether any performance issues remain. After the test drive, it's crucial to check for any recurring DTCs or symptoms that may indicate unresolved problems. Successful completion of these steps concludes the diagnosis and repair cycle, ensuring the vehicle is in optimal working condition once more. Implementing preventive maintenance is a wise strategy to avoid future occurrences of DTC P0035 and related issues. Technicians should develop a routine to regularly inspect connectors associated with the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve and the PCM for signs of wear, corrosion, or other damage. Additionally, wiring integrity should be carefully assessed during these inspections to ensure no fraying, kinks, or exposed areas may lead to electrical faults. Performing system diagnostics on a scheduled basis can help capture any intermittent errors early before they become critical. Educating vehicle owners about signs that may indicate issues with engine performance or warning lights can also play a critical role in early detection. These preventative measures promote the ongoing reliability of the turbocharger system, yielding long-term benefits for the vehicle's performance. In conclusion, understanding the functionality of the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve is essential for effective troubleshooting of DTC P0035 in the Honda CRV models from 2017 to 2022. Additionally, conducting thorough diagnostics through the steps outlined is critical to accurately identify the root cause of the error code. Each step frames a systematic approach that prioritizes both safety and efficiency in diagnosing and repairing issues. Implementation of preventive maintenance steps can reduce the likelihood of similar errors arising in the future, ensuring sustained vehicle performance. Regular inspections and diagnostics can be game changers in preserving the integrity of the turbocharger system. Ultimately, a well-rounded approach to vehicle maintenance will enhance performance, reliability, and longevity. please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.